Meaning of flinty.
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 Flinty. The word flinty is an adjective that describes someone who is tough, unyielding, and uncompromising. It suggests a person who is not easily swayed by emotions or sentimentality and is willing to make hard decisions when necessary. A flinty person is often seen as cold and aloof, but their strength of character is respected and admired. This term can also be used to describe things that are hard and unyielding, like rocks or metal. Overall, flinty conveys the idea of resilience and steadfastness in the face of adversity.